Hi guys, I'm going to show you a trick. We're going to put this pencil through a Ziploc bag with water. Look it. Boom.
Wow, I see the pencil there.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah.
Wow. It goes through
Yeah.
and no spill, huh? Can you rotate it? Wow.
It's always bark, bark, bark.
Okay.
Let's do a second one. And then let's put it at the bottom. Yeah.
Wow.
Want to see that?
Yeah.
It's two, just at the back.
Okay, good. Next.
And then the third one, I'm going to put it until here so I don't make a mess. And I'm going to put the third one.
Wow.
Yeah. I want to do this fourth one. Grand finale, fifth one.
Here, I have one.
Grand finale, fifth one.
Can you rotate it first? I want to see it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Okay.
Can you rotate it? Wow, no spill, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Yep. Let me see. So that's our
Experiment.
trick today.
Hi kids, today we're going to do experiments.
So Randall, what do we need?
We need water, these pencils right here, and food color, more food color, and some Ziploc bags.
Okay.
Step is open the Ziploc bag.
Okay.
Ask Ron to help you.
After you open the Ziploc bag,
Ask Ron to help you.
yeah, and then what? You have to fill it up with.
Water! Let's make it an experiment.
Wait.
What? Yeah! Yeah.
After you fill it up with water, what's the next step?
Put some food color.
Yeah, just only one drop of food color, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And then you
Shake it.
seal it up.
Okay.
Let's seal it up.
It's not sealed. It's closed. And then shake it.
And then what you gonna do?
Shake it. That's it. And then
So, Randall,
it is yellow or whatever color that is.
so let me have this. So did you shake it?
Yeah.
So, yep. Next step, you're gonna poke it. Hold it, yeah, like that. And then what you're gonna do? Poke it. Let's see. Did it spill?
No, it's inside.
Let me see. Whoa. Okay, that's the first pencil, huh?
Next pencil.
Next
is
pencil.
the notions. Pencil of the notions.
Whoa. How about the
Yeah.
third pencil?
Ooh, that's easy. I'm holding it very tight.
Whoa.
Fourth. And then six. Last, not least, seven.
Let me see. Can you show it to me? Whoa, rotate it.
Okay.
Look at that. Doesn't spill at all, huh?
Yeah.
How about you add one more here?
Okay. I'm gonna see if it doesn't lose something. Okay. But I need to put it through. Relax. Put it through. Whoa!
Whoa! How about one more here? Try to put one more.
And then I'm gonna put more, even more. I am not doing experiments again. I'm just kidding. Yeah, this is fun.
Can you rotate it for me?
Sure.
Look at that. It doesn't even spill.
Yeah. And you can check the back too. It's just dripping.
Look at that.
Yeah. Now for the fun part, taking it out. It's like peeing. Yeah. It's going everywhere. It's not my shirt. Wow. More. Let's take out more.
So that's your experiment.
Yep.
There you go. What you gonna tell kids?
Bye-bye, kids. Subscribe and like. Our experiment is done. Subscribe and like. And hit the notification bell.
That's it?
Yeah. Because it's notification.